Hey, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to showcase the Denon Prime 2 customization skins. These are the skins for the Denon Prime 2 customization skins. We offer the full wrap. You can create your design right on our website, upload images, upload your logo, add your own custom text. We put the manufacturer text back on the unit. With the click of the button, you can select the colors of the text, add them back over your design. We send you a skin that's easy to install and will last the life of your product. We ship worldwide. This is the Denon Prime 2 customization skins. Full wraps available at styleflip.com. Check us out. Create your own design now at styleflip.com. We support over 1,500 music products. Styleflip.com.